How to delete your iconic account. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can delete your iconic account, so kindly watch this video to the end. The first step is to sign in into your iconic account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, it will be brought to the home page automatically. On this page you can see different products that you can get on the iconic account. Now the next step is to move to the right side of the screen, where you can see some icons such as your profile icon, your favorite icon, and then your shopping bag. The next step to do is to click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, amongst the options displayed, ensure you click on account. So after clicking on account, you'll be brought to your account page. Or this page, you'll see further instructions or further options of things that you can do. But first of all, you wait for it to load. So once that's loaded, you can see profile, addresses, communications. By the time you scroll down, you'll see login and security, then delete account. Just click on delete account, and then on the delete account page, you can see what else you should know, etc, etc. Then click on delete my account, and after clicking on delete my account, your account will permanently be deleted. It's very simple. Ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.